So my name is Dave. We live in southern Utah. We've been on solar now for about 3 to 4 months. Installed 17 panels. You almost don't even know they're there other than the mirror reflection if you're driving down the street, because it almost matches the roof. Like I said, I've checked around, and other companies I've heard just, they'll do an install and then they check out. After they install it and they leave, it's, their warranty is until they drive out the driveway and it's working.
Right.
With you guys, we've, if we have questions, the customer service has been phenomenal. There's times when you guys get a hold of me before I can get a hold of you, talking about, hey, we're going to do an update, or we're going to ship a few panels, we want to adjust a couple. And I tell Josh that too. Josh is my salesman, a very knowledgeable, awesome guy. Really explained a lot and went over our electric bills with us. Great experience, and from what I hear, we haven't had friends or family that have had a nightmare experience with solar, but I've talked to other guys who have customers and things in town in St. George, and we've not had that. We've been very, very lucky and very appreciative. Appreciate you guys and NIA Solar. Like I said, everything is really clean. It was a very professional. Nothing was janky or half what. It just, installation, sales, customer service, everything's been top notch, and I really do appreciate that.